How to fix KB5101650 failed to install in Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2. Hello friends, follow the steps. First of all, try installing the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. For this, go to the video description. You will find a link to the Microsoft Update Catalog there. Click on the link. After clicking the link, you will reach this page. Here you will find multiple files. To ensure which file is supporting for your system, click on Start, click on Settings, click on System, scroll down and click on About. Here is system type. Mine is 64-bit operating system and version is 25H2. Check yours and find the file in this list. This one is for version 25H2 for x64 based systems. Once found, click on the respective download button. Click on the link having KB5101650. Let the download complete. Once downloaded, click on the File Explorer icon. Go to the Downloads folder. Right click on the just downloaded MSU file. Select Open. Windows Update Standalone Installer. Security update for Windows KB5101650 is already installed. On my computer, it is already installed. On your computer, a confirmation dialog will appear. Click on Yes and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Fix the problems using Windows Update. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, scroll down and click on Recovery. Here is Fix Problems using Windows Update. For this option, click on Reinstall now. Click on OK on this pop-up. Once you click on OK, the repair version of Windows 11 25H2 will be started downloading. Let the download complete and restart your computer to complete the installation. If the issue still persists, reset Windows Update components. For this, click on Search, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, go to the video description. In the video description, you will find these commands. These commands will reset Windows Update components. Copy the first line of command from the description, paste into the command prompt and press enter. In the same way, copy the second line, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Run all these commands in the same manner. After running all the lines of commands, close the command prompt and close other running tasks and restart your computer. Then check for updates. If the issue still persists, then modify services. For this, click on Search, type Services, click on Services, look for App Readiness, right click on this service and select Properties. On this window, make sure that startup type is automatic and service status is running. If the service status is showing stopped, then click on Start. If the startup type is not automatic, click on this drop down and select Automatic. Click on Apply, click on OK. Do the same with Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right click on the service, select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic. If it is not, click on Apply. If the service is stopped, click on Start. Click on OK. Look for cryptographic services. This one, right click on the service, select Properties, Make sure that a startup type is automatic and service is running. Here nothing is needed. A startup type is already automatic and service is already running. In this case, click on OK. If it is not automatic, change it to automatic. And if it is stopped, then click on Start. Click on OK. Go to Windows Update. Right click on the service. Select Properties. Change the startup type to automatic if it is not. And click on Start if Start is highlighted. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Close the services window. Go to Windows Update Settings. For this, click on Start, Settings, Windows Update, and click on Check for Updates. If the problem still occurs, then run System File Checker and DISM command line tools. For this, click on Search, type CMD. Again, right click on the command prompt, select Run as Administrator. Again, go to the video description. You have to run these commands at this time, taking from video description. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt, and hit enter. Wait until it is 100% completed. Once done, copy the DISM restore health command, paste into the command prompt, and press enter. Once completed, close the command prompt, close the other running tasks, and restart your computer. Then check for updates again. If either of the methods doesn't work, then you will have to perform in place upgrade. For this, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on this link, download Windows 11, scroll down. In the download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices section, click on this drop down and select this option if your device is x64 based. If your device is ARM64 based, click on the link here and follow the steps accordingly. For x64 devices, click on confirm. Now select the product language. If you are not sure what is the product language of your system, then you can click on start, settings, time and language, language and region, and check Windows display language. This is the product language. For me, it is English United States. Check yours and select the same language in this drop down. Click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. Once completed, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to Downloads. Right click on the just downloaded ISO file and select Mount. Click on Open on the Open File Security warning pop-up. Right click on setup.exe and select Open. Uncheck this box on this window. I want to help make the installation better. This option will take much more time, so uncheck it and click on Next. For applicable notices and license terms, click on Accept. On Ready to Install window, click on Install. Your computer will restart a few times and Windows 11 25H2 will be installed, including the security update. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.